Guys, welcome to another video, and today I will be taking a tour of this house. Here's the pool table, here's the computer, here's the mirror, here's the couch, here's the shelf, here's the wall,
Hey, come on.
here's
Need your bag?
here's that, and here's my brother's room, here's the bathroom, and here's the toilet, and there's the basement, and there's the kitchen, and there's the dining room, and there's the living room, and here's my mom and dad's bedroom, and here's my room. Bye. If you like this video, please subscribe and please leave some views. Bye.